Love the way you put it on. Girl, you got my attention, all of my attention. Yeah.
It's getting a little treacherous, guys. We have ran into a blizzard. Oh my. Okay.
Okay.
This is very interesting.
Oh, what's this? Somebody stopped up
It's hard to see anything. Maybe this is what Daddy was talking about.
there. Man, watch the weather. Oh, we can't see around us at all.
Oh my gosh.
And these people are.
They don't know where they're going.
Yeah, I need a map.
Everybody playing follow the leader. Cause this is
I don't wanna
not
be the leader.
safe. How do you know when it's turning and stuff?
Because I have the map.
Oh.
That's why I just said I need the map. I ain't scared. I ain't blinking.
Alright guys. We're going no lights in front of us.
Cyber truck too up here. Like, bro. Oh, come on. You don't come on, man. We driving, man. That's what we do.
What does it mean when all the semis are pulled over, huh? Huh, guys?
All of them ain't pulled up.
Oh.
All these niggas ride.
Oh.
I need you to do that, please. Stressing me out. I'm surprised he didn't take off his mirror.
They was about to size swipe.
And look at this nigga. He trying to come so wise like us. I'm trying to. Oh, that somebody did side swipe.
Ooh.
Oh my god.
Oh my gosh.
These two big Mack trucks. Oh.
Oh my goodness.
Them boys.
That is scary. Damn, I wasn't even recording.
Oh my goodness.
Okay, now that gotta be mountains, right? Hey guys. It's what?
Hello, friends.
It's 3:43 in the morning. We're stopping to get gas for the first time.
Stopping at Love's, my loves.
I took a little bit of a nap. He's been driving the whole time. I'm so proud of him. He getting us through all this crazy snow. And now we're on a bathroom break and a gas break. It's cute in here. Oh, we gotta get some souvenirs. Oh my god, yes. Now them look kind of good. It's nice in the mug in here. Okay. Ooh, it's all nice and clean. By the way, guys, we are in Kentucky. Hair is still looking cute from the wedding like 3 days ago. Okay, trying to make this last as long as possible. It is so nice and clean in here. Like, I'm just really thrown off. This is me. Okay. Hello. Hello.
What are you doing?
I'm coming. I was talking to the people.
Oh,
It's so nice and clean in there. You didn't use the bathroom?
I did use the bathroom.
I thought you had the boo-boo. Oh, they got fruit. They got some nice grapes in here. These look nice and fresh too. There's some, oh, look at that salad. Oh, this look way better than our gas stations. They got these wraps.
That's because this is a real restaurant.
Oh my gosh, look at these oranges. Oh my god, I would tear those up. Oh my god, watermelon. Stop it. I might have to get that watermelon. Hey y'all. So the sun is out. Well, not the sun is out, but the sun has risen a little bit. It's rising. I just got done driving. Baby took a 3-hour nap.
I was knocked out.
He was knocked out. He kept waking up, shooting his little head up, thinking I'm about to crash the car.
My goodness.
And now we have
all type of mayhem going on.
Oh my gosh, y'all, somebody popped a freaking tire literally right next to us. And that scared the mess out of me, but I handled that very well, you know what I'm saying? I have to pee, so I'm about to go pee. So guys, I don't know if we are in Kentucky still or if we are in Tennessee. I think we in Tennessee because all the mountains we just drove through. But we have 3 hours left to our destination. I guess baby's hopping back in the driver's seat. We have 3 hours left to see our baby.
Probably more than that for real.
Because the real address ain't in.
Yeah.
I'm gonna put the real address in and see how far away it really is. Did you get enough sleep?
I hope so.
What you mean you hope? I could keep going. We got 3 hours.
No, it's okay.
Oh my gosh, I wasn't even driving back.
You wasn't driving bad. You were driving great.
So why I can't keep going?
I just need nothing to happen.
Okay. Passenger.
She's not a bad driver, guys. Just seems like the devil tries to attack her.
Passenger princess.
When
I
she's
shall
driving.
be. We still got our snacks. We got oranges, and I got my little cold pressed juice. He has a Monster he didn't crack open yet. And we are continuing our journey. I cannot believe the sun has risen. Like, oh my gosh.
Tennessee, look at the license plates.
Oh yeah. Oh, that is how you can tell where you at. The license plates. We are in Tennessee, y'all. Waffle House. It's so many waffle houses, and it's not one in Michigan. That's crazy.
The license plates look like paper.
Does it? Look at all those mountains, though. Oh, I love mountains. I really wish Michigan had some mountains. Look at all of those. So beautiful. But he keeps telling me that he needs to take me to Denver so I can see real mountains. And I can't wait
mountains.
to go to Aspen.
You know real mountains is in Denver, Colorado.
Wait, is Aspen in the same place?
Aspen is in Colorado.
Oh yeah, I want to go to either or. All right, guys. 3 hours exactly. All right. People been awake in Tennessee for 5 minutes, and these people is out here driving crazy in the mud. Okay.
License.
And he matching the energy.
Can people with the Tennessee have a gun without a license like Texas? Anybody know the gun laws? I need to know before I cut a motherfucker off.
What are the gun laws in Tennessee?
I can use ChatGPT to answer that. You can enable chat.
No, how you gonna enable some shit on my phone? Nuh-uh, fuck no. She ain't about to just be accessing the web off a voice.
It's so much braking, it's so many potholes, it's people cutting off lanes, not letting people get over. Oh, child, it's just too much. I'm glad I'm not behind that wheel no more. I couldn't do it.
They do got your potholes.
Look, they just pushing their own stuff in, you know. I mean, as I guess they should, but dang.
Support this. It's a bunch of BS.
Oh my gosh.
I really feel like I'm not in the right gear.
Then they roads be so confusing when you get more down south. Goodness.